Hello, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 tips that will help you never go broke in 2025. I'm Dre, your host. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Tip number 1 is you have to be willing to stay down in order for you to come up. What do I mean by this? You must be willing to live way below your means. In other words, you must be willing to spend less of your income. Your expenditures have to be way less than your income. How do you achieve this? You need to sit down and have a budget. Sit down and create a budget and make sure that your expenses are so low than your income. By that, you'll save money. And another thing is you need to cut off all your bad habits, your bad vices, your addictions like alcoholism, addictions like smoking, betting, womanizing, partying, eating out, giving out money anyhow. If you cut off all those, you'll be able to save some money and have money in your pocket. Tip number 2 is you need to come up with a savings plan. You need to come up with a savings plan. It can be a 6-month, 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years savings plan. You need to get a certain percentage of your income and save it aside over a certain period of time. I assure you, if you do that, if you come up with a savings plan, you'll never be broke in 2025. Tip number 3 is you need multiple streams of income. You need to have multiple streams of income. One stream of income is suicidal because if that stream is cut off, you're financially dead. You need multiple streams of income such that you have several sources of money and cash flow. You need several sources of cash flow in order never to go broke. If you have one job, I advise you, my friend, go find some side hustles such that you have multiple streams of income. Relying on one stream of income is so dangerous in this world, and you need to work on that. Tip number 4 is you need to invest in cash producing assets. Now that you have some money saved up, you need to get avenues of investing that money. The goal is to grow your money and have more cash flow. That's the goal of investing. So you need to get some avenues where you can invest your money and make more money. Here I can recommend some 3 avenues. You can venture into real estate, commercial real estate, or residential real estate. That's one avenue. You can set up a small business that can bring in some profits. If you're familiar with the stock market, you can buy shares of some good companies such that you can make some returns on your investment over a certain period of time. Tip number 5 is you need to invest in your education. There's something out there called financial literacy. You need to be knowledgeable in the area of finance. You need to start reading books on finance. You need to start going for financial seminars. You need to start going online and make research on finance, because you need to be knowledgeable in the area of finance. You need to know how to grow your money. You need to know how to invest your money. You need to know how to keep your money. You need to know how to handle taxes. So that's why I advise you to invest in your education. And it has to be financial education, what we call financial literacy. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one.